welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of unlocking the 20K side hustle secret by transforming your hobbies into cash. If you've ever wondered how to turn your passion into profit, you're in the right place. We'll explore practical strategies for monetizing your interests, whether it's crafting, gaming, or cooking. Get ready to discover the financial benefits of pursuing what you love while building a sustainable income stream. This engaging and informative journey is perfect for aspiring entrepreneurs looking to take control of their financial future. Let's unlock your potential and start making money doing what you enjoy. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, like, and leave a comment. To kick off your journey toward monetizing your hobbies, start by reflecting on your interests and skills that could be marketable. Think about what you love doing in your free time and how those activities might resonate with others. Passion is crucial. It fuels your motivation and helps sustain your side hustle over time. For instance, photography, baking, and crafting are just a few hobbies that have successfully turned into cash-generating ventures. By identifying what excites you and aligns with market demand, you can create a fulfilling and profitable side hustle that brings joy and income into your life. Before diving into monetizing your hobby, conducting thorough market research is essential. Understanding your target audience and their preferences will help you tailor your offerings to meet their needs. Utilize tools like surveys, social media polls, and keyword research to gauge market demand for your specific hobby. Additionally, analyzing competitors can provide valuable insights into what works and what doesn't. Look for gaps in the market where you can differentiate yourself and offer something unique. By investing time in market research, you'll set a solid foundation for your side hustle, increasing your chances of success and profitability. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, like, and leave a comment. Crafting a simple business plan for your hobby-based side hustle is crucial for success. Start by setting clear goals and objectives that define what you want to achieve, whether it's a specific income target or a number of customers. Next, focus on budgeting and financial planning to cover your startup costs, including materials, marketing, and any necessary tools. Don't forget to outline your marketing strategies and sales channels. Consider how you'll reach your audience, whether through social media, online marketplaces, or local events. A well-structured business plan will guide you through the initial stages and help you stay on track. Establishing an online presence is vital for promoting your hobby-based business. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest are powerful tools for reaching potential customers and showcasing your work. Consider creating a website or blog to serve as a central hub for your products or services, where you can share detailed information and updates. Engaging with your audience is key. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create polls to involve them in your journey. Building a community around your hobby not only fosters loyalty, but also encourages word-of-mouth marketing, helping your business grow organically. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, like, and leave a comment. When it comes to monetizing your hobbies, there are several strategies to explore. You can start by selling physical products related to your hobby, offering services like coaching or consulting, or creating digital content such as ebooks or online courses. Additionally, consider the potential of affiliate marketing and sponsorships, where you can earn commissions by promoting products or collaborating with brands that align with your interests. Don't be afraid to think creatively about how to generate income. Whether it's hosting workshops, launching a subscription service, or starting a YouTube channel, the possibilities are endless. Embrace your passion and turn it into profit. To scale your hobby-based side hustle for greater income, it's essential to reinvest profits back into your business. This could mean upgrading equipment, enhancing your marketing efforts, or expanding your product line. Exploring partnerships or collaborations can also help you reach a broader audience. Teaming up with like-minded individuals or brands can create exciting opportunities for growth. Additionally, consider diversifying your income streams related to your hobby. For example, if you're a crafter, you might sell products, offer workshops, and create online tutorials. By implementing these strategies, you can effectively scale your side hustle and maximize your earning potential. In this video, we explored the key steps to turn your hobby into a profitable side hustle, from identifying your passion and conducting market research to creating a solid business plan and building an online presence. Remember, the journey begins with taking action. Don't wait for the perfect moment to start. Embrace the process and watch your efforts pay off. If you found this content valuable, please subscribe, like, and share this video with others who might benefit. Your engagement helps us create more informative content to support your entrepreneurial journey. Let's turn those hobbies into thriving businesses together.